Hello, today I'm going to show to you how can we solve the loading error in Elementor. So this is the site by built by Elementor. So I'm going to show to you how can we solve the loading error problem in Elementor. So this is the page built by Elementor. So once we try to edit with Elementor, so let's see what's happened. Okay, this page I'm saying to you again, this page is built by Elementor. So once I try to edit with Elementor this page, so let's see what's happened. So see, here is loading. This loading will not finish until I do something. So how can I solve this loading issue in Elementor? So for that, need to right click of this and go to the inspect element. So I'm saying again, once loading this type of error, need to right click of the mouse and go inspect. Once we click the inspect, the coding pop-up will open. So here you see carefully the loading class. Here is the ID Elementor panel state / loading. So if I delete this line of code, delete element, don't go the otherwise, need to select the specific loading error code line. So once I go the loading code line, that time I can see the delete element. So please delete that element, the problem will be solved. See, so now I can edit everything. See, I can edit every page, text, image, everything. So this type of error we can solve easily by deleting that type of line code error. Thanks.